Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Florida to near Stanfordville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include extremely poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Dangerous life-threatening travel. Interstates 90 and 91 in western Massachusetts. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Greenfield, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Monroe, Southwick, and Montague. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. A band of heavy
First snow squall warning right in the middle of driver's ed. Let's go, dude.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a snow squall warning for western Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located over Windsor Locks, or near Enfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include extremely poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Dangerous life-threatening travel. Interstates 84 and 91 in Connecticut. Locations impacted include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, and Avon. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Of central Massachusetts and northern Connecticut. Hazards: a snow squall to 40 miles per hour.
One for Worcester County would be nice, seeing as the snow squall's coming through here, but no SQW for Worcester County yet. Come on, let's go, man.
Eastern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southern Middlesex County in central New Hampshire, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Henniker to near Fitzwilliam, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Visibility dropping as low as 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect hazardous road conditions. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 18 and 38. Locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, Concord, Jaffrey, Henniker, Merrimack, Bedford, Milford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, Hollis, Peterborough, Huntington, New Boston, Epsom, Antrim, Mount Vernon, Greenfield, and Lyndborough. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. the 3 p.m. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a snow squall warning for Worcester County in central Massachusetts.
Me, I just got the alert on my phone.
County in western Massachusetts. Northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts. Southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts. Southeastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts. Until 4:45.
Holy shit.
At 3:59 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Winchend to near East Long. Whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow.
Sorry this vid's cut out. People are FaceTiming me because I got the alert on their phones too, and they're coming to me about it.
Radar and webcams.
I'll get y'all when I'm done with this. Hold up. We'll just see what's going up here.
Interstate 90 and Route 2 in Massachusetts. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Leominster, Vicksburg, Shrewsbury, Orange, Ludlow, Gardner, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Oxford, Clinton, Millbury, and Charlton. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
Boom! That's for me.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a snow squall warning for Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 5:30 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Auburn to near Hollis, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Fuck, man.
Hazard, heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 0 and 31. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 1 and 15. Locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, Derry, Portsmouth, Hampton, Exeter, Kittery, Merrimack, Salem, Bedford, Milford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, Hollis, Epping, New Boston, Brentwood, Greenland, and Mount Vernon. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Here is a... The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, southwestern Oxford County in western Maine, northwestern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, Belknap County in central New Hampshire, Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Pinkham Notch to 7 miles southwest of Meredith, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 63 and 79. Locations impacted include Laconia, Conway, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Lincoln, Moulton Borough, Ossipee, Meredith, Plymouth, Lebanon, Alton, Wilmington, Holderness, Ashland, Hiram, Effingham, Cornish, Waterford, Wilkesboro, and Tamworth. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. And now here is the latest weather summary for New Hampshire and western Maine. A quick hitting clipper system will bring the potential for snow showers and snow squalls into early this evening. High pressure and thunder, then shift offshore.
The snow squall came through my neck of the woods. Could not see a damn thing. That just goes to show how dangerous snow squalls actually are. I'm actually really happy that National Weather Service decided to issue warnings based around snow squalls.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a snow squall warning for your county in southwestern Maine, south central Oxford County in western Maine, southern Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, Stratford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, east central Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire until 6:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a dangerous snow squall is located along a line extending from near Highland to near Gilmenton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 95 between mile markers 1 and 62. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire near mile marker 16. Locations impacted include Portland, Rochester, South Portland, Biddeford, Westbrook, Durham, Kittery, Bridgeton, Alfred, Sanford, Ossipee, Naples, Northwood, Dover, Cumberland, Saco, Gorham, Somersworth, Falmouth, and Kennebunk. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for North Central Massachusetts, and Keene. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows 8 to 14 above. Northwest winds 16 to 14 miles.
Fuck.
45 miles an hour. Wind chill values. Sunday, mostly sunny.
How many, dude? That's like, what, number 6, number 7? Jesus Christ.